Today I'm going to show you how to make air fried onion rings with a blooming onion sauce. It's going to be dynamite. First thing I want to do is get my air fryer on and starting to preheat. We're going to give our racks a quick spray to avoid stickage. And we just got a regular yellow onion here, and I'm just going to take off the sides and I'm just going to peel it, and then we're going to cut it into rings. So what I'm going to end up doing here is doing a egg, flour, panko mixture and get those on those racks for the air fryer, and they should turn out pretty awesome. So now we're going to cut them into pretty good size rings, and then we're going to slowly, carefully, although if your onion breaks, it's not the end of the world, but in a perfect world, you want nice big rings. So we're probably not going to need the whole onion, depending on how many onion rings you actually want to do, obviously. I think that would be sufficient. So I'm just going to give a little cleanup here. So the next thing I want to do is season my panko breadcrumbs. Now, you can season it however you like, but today I think I'm going to do some dried oregano, dried basil, paprika, pepper, and garlic powder. But again, totally up to you, whatever flavor profile you think works. So I'm going to put roughly a tablespoon of each into my panko mixture. So basil, sorry, that was oregano. First one was basil. Some paprika, give it a little bit of smokiness, which is really nice, and some nice color, and some garlic powder. And then we're going to mix that up. I'll give my hands a quick wash, and I'll throw in some pepper and a little bit of salt, and we'll be ready to start to mix. So a pretty generous amount of pepper, some salt. So I'm just going to clean up my station here because I definitely don't like working in clutter. So give myself some room. So I've just got an egg here that I cracked, and I'm just going to beat the egg. So we're going to toss that around in our flour mixture and then into our egg wash. And you want to make sure that egg gets totally coated all over your onion so that your panko sticks. So this one could have had probably some more egg mixture on it, but that's all right. Now, I'm not going to lie and say that these are going to be better than deep fried, because I think that would be kind of almost silly to think that. But I think they're going to be a really nice alternative. So let me get back to you whenever I'm done coating all of these. So all of our onions are battered. You can see on our plate here. Didn't go too crazy, basically filled them up. So what do we have? 5, 10, maybe 11 onion rings. So I'm going to set my timer to 10 minutes. And I should have taken this out before, but I didn't. All right, so we're going to drop these in, and we'll check them in 10 minutes. So it's been almost 7 minutes, almost 8 minutes, and those are pretty close to being done. So I would say another minute. In the meantime, we're going to make our sauce. This is a copycat Outback blooming onion sauce. So we're going to start with 1/3 of a cup of mayo. We're going to get that into our bowl. Then we need 2 tablespoons of sour cream, 1 tablespoon of ketchup, pretty close there, 2 tablespoons of horseradish, 1/4 teaspoon paprika, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. I'm going to open that up. I'd say those are done. Get the garlic powder here. We'll give that a good mix. All right, and like anything else, we'll try it, make sure it's okay. So I think it's fantastic. That is your air fried onion rings with your blooming onion sauce. You can see that they're nice and crispy. And maybe I'll just give one a dunk and a try. Hopefully I don't burn my face off or make a total mess. Super good. We'll see you on the next one.